Have you ever woken up, looked in the mirror, and wondered, why do I feel older than I actually am? It's not always genetics. It's not just stress. And it's definitely not simply about the number of candles on your birthday cake. Sometimes, it's the tiny habits we repeat every single morning, habits so common that we don't even question them. But here's the surprising truth. Those small, harmless-looking habits might be secretly speeding up the aging process, making you feel more tired, more stiff, and less vibrant than you truly should be. And the good news? The moment you understand what these habits are, you can make simple shifts that transform your energy, your skin, your body, and even your mood. That's exactly what we're uncovering today on Ageless Living 50+. Where staying youthful isn't about hiding your age. It's about living fully at every stage of life. Let's talk about one of the sneakiest culprits first, skipping a proper morning hydration. Many people wake up and go straight for coffee, tea, or nothing at all. But after hours of sleep, your body wakes up dehydrated. And dehydration is one of the fastest ways to age your cells. When you don't replenish fluids first thing in the morning, your skin looks dull, your joints feel stiff, and your brain moves slower than it should. Water helps flush toxins, boosts your metabolism, and reactivates the systems that keep you feeling youthful. A better alternative? Start your day with a glass of water, ideally room temperature, maybe with a slice of lemon. Not only does it hydrate you deeply, but it also wakes up your digestion and gives your skin the glow it deserves. Another morning habit that sneaks years onto your appearance and your health is jumping straight onto your phone. Before your feet even touch the floor, your eyes land on notifications, messages, breaking news, or social media posts. This instantly triggers stress hormones like cortisol, which speeds up aging by increasing inflammation, raising blood pressure, and interrupting your mental clarity. When your day begins with mental overload, it sets the tone for anxiety, worry, and emotional tension. Instead of grabbing your phone, try giving yourself a few quiet minutes to breathe, stretch, or simply enjoy the moment. It sounds simple, but those peaceful minutes can dramatically shift your emotional energy and protect your mind from unnecessary stress. Let's talk about something surprisingly harmful that many people over 50 never realize is affecting them: skipping breakfast. Now, not every person needs a huge morning meal, but going for hours without proper nourishment causes your blood sugar to spike and crash throughout the day, making your body work harder, store more fat, and age more quickly. Your metabolism slows down, your mood swings become more intense, and your energy levels drop. A healthier alternative is choosing a protein-rich breakfast with healthy fats and fiber, something that keeps your energy stable and your body supported. Think Greek yogurt with berries, eggs with avocado, or oatmeal with nuts and seeds. Your body will thank you for the fuel. One habit that many older adults admit to but rarely address is moving too little in the morning. We wake up, move slowly, sit down for breakfast, sit to read the news, sit to think about the day, and the day hasn't even started yet. The truth is, a body that sits too much ages more quickly. Joints become stiffer, muscles weaken, blood circulation slows, and your metabolism becomes sluggish. Even a few minutes of light movement in the morning, stretching, walking, or gentle mobility exercises signals your body to wake up, strengthen itself, and stay young. You don't need a gym. You just need motion. Your body is designed to move, and when it does, it rewards you with vitality. Now let's visit something many people wouldn't even put on a list like this: starting the day with negative thoughts. Yes, your mindset can age you faster than anything in your refrigerator. The moment you wake up thinking about everything wrong in your life, every problem waiting for you, or every worry about the future, your mind enters survival mode. That survival mode releases chemicals that harm your immune system, tighten your muscles, and make your face look more tense and tired. A simple shift to gratitude, even just thinking of one thing you're thankful for, can rewire your brain for positivity and resilience. A happier mind leads to a healthier body, Another morning habit that accelerates aging is not protecting your skin before stepping outside. Many people think sunscreen is only for sunny days or outdoor activities, but UV rays hit your skin every single morning, even indoors, through windows. These rays break down collagen, cause wrinkles, create hyperpigmentation, and weaken the elasticity of your skin. The cumulative damage is far more aging than any birthday number. A gentle sunscreen or moisturizer with SPF makes a world of difference. It's one of the easiest anti-aging habits available to us, and yet so many people skip it. Let's talk about posture, because this one surprises many. The moment you wake up and slouch, whether sitting on the edge of your bed, staring at your phone, or brushing your teeth, you tell your body to compress itself. Poor posture ages the spine, weakens core muscles, restricts breathing, and even affects your facial muscles, making you appear older. Straightening your back in the morning, lifting your chest, and taking full breaths not only improves oxygen flow, but creates strength from the inside out. Your posture is one of the clearest signs of youthfulness, and adjusting it takes less than 1 minute. Now for a habit many people underestimate: rushing. A rushed morning raises stress levels, increases blood pressure, and tightens your muscles, especially around your neck and shoulders. Living in a constant hurry teaches your body to remain in fight or flight mode, which contributes to inflammation and long-term aging. Slowing down your morning doesn't mean waking up earlier. It means being intentional. Preparing small things the night before, like your clothes or your breakfast ingredients, helps you start your morning with calm confidence instead of chaotic tension. A calm morning creates a youthful day. Another sneaky aging trigger is drinking too much caffeine before your body has fully woken up. Caffeine isn't the enemy, but drinking it on an empty stomach increases stomach acid, disrupts hormones, and spikes cortisol, which affects everything from your waistline to your skin. If you depend on coffee for energy, your body might actually be craving more sleep or better nutrition. Try drinking water first, or eating before your coffee, and notice how your energy stabilizes. And if you're open to alternatives, herbal teas or warm lemon water give you energy without the crash. And now, one more habit many people never even think about: staying indoors too long after waking up. Morning sunlight is incredibly important for regulating your circadian rhythm, balancing your hormones, and improving your mood. Without natural light, your body becomes confused, groggy, and more prone to anxiety, fatigue, and sleep problems. And poor sleep is one of the fastest accelerators of premature aging. Even 5 minutes of sunlight stepping outside, standing by a window, or sitting on a porch tells your body it's time to wake up, which kickstarts your energy system naturally. All of these habits might seem small, but they add up. Aging isn't just about time, it's about the condition of your body, your mind, and your daily routines. And the beautiful thing is, no matter your age, 50, 60, 70, even 80 and beyond, you have the power to slow down the aging process with simple, consistent choices. You don't need extreme diets, expensive products, or complicated routines. You just need awareness and a willingness to shift small things that add years to your life and life to your years. Think about it. Hydration gives you energy. Positive thoughts give you peace. Morning sunlight resets your body. Movement activates your joints. Protecting your skin preserves your glow. Reducing stress protects your heart. And nourishing your body improves everything from your mood to your longevity. These are habits that anyone can do, and you can start tomorrow morning, or even right now. Imagine what your days could feel like a month from now if you commit to even 2 or 3 of these changes. Imagine waking up with more energy, feeling lighter, thinking more clearly, moving more comfortably, and seeing a youthful glow return to your skin. Imagine replacing tiredness with vitality and stress with calm confidence. That's the gift of a healthy morning routine. That's the promise of aging gracefully, not fearfully. And that's the heart of the ageless living 50-plus lifestyle. As we wrap up today's video, remember this: age is not your enemy. Your habits are either working against you or working for you. And now you have the knowledge to choose wisely. Start small. Start today. And start with love for yourself. Your future self will thank you loudly. If this video inspired you, motivated you, or taught you something new, go ahead and hit that like button. It truly helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't already, because here on Ageless Living 50+, we're building a community of people who want to stay vibrant, healthy, and joyful at every age. And in the comments, tell me, what habit are you going to change starting tomorrow morning? What topics would you love to see next on the channel? Your ideas help shape the videos we create. Thanks for watching. And here's to a healthier, happier, ageless you.